Good morning, students. Let's start today's topic, that is Mendelian genetics. Question number 21. Mendel discovered law of inheritance in plant. In which plant? Option A garden pea, option B sweet pea, option C field pea, option D maize. Mendel discovered the law of inheritance in garden pea plant. Next question. The character which have the clear-cut differences is called as a contributing character, contrasting character, attributing character, or none of these. The character which have clear-cut differences is called as a contrasting character. Next question. The pair of contrasting character is called as option A linkage, option B coupling, option C allelomorph, option D gene interaction. The pair of contrasting character is called as allelomorph. Question number 24. If both genotype and phenotype show the same ratio, that is 1:1 in F2 generation, it shows जब F2 जनरेशन में जीनोटाइप और फिनोटाइप का रेशियो सेम आएगा 1:1, तो ये क्या इंडिकेट करता है? ऑप्शन ए इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस इन मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस, कंप्लीट डोमिनेंस इन मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस, डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस और कोडोमिनेंस. फर्स्टली 1:1 ये जो रेशियो है ये मोनोहाइब्रिड लॉ में आता है, हेंस ये डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस का जो ऑप्शन है वो रिमूव हो जाएगा. देन जब जीनोटाइप और फिनोटाइप का रेशियो सेम आएगा F2 में, that is due to the incomplete dominance. Okay, then next question number 25. The linkage is detected by test cross, top cross, back cross, or none of this. The linkage is detected by test cross, and the general combining ability is detected by top cross. Next question number 26. The test cross ratio for monohybrid law. Option A 1:1, option B 3:1, option C 2:1, option D 1:1. The test cross ratio for monohybrid law is 1:1. The genotype of dominant plant can be determined by. Option A pedigree analysis, option B back cross, option C test cross, option D dihybrid cross, option C test cross. Question number 28. Test cross is a cross between two recessive homozygote, cross between dominant homozygote and heterozygote, cross between two F1 hybrids, and cross between F1 hybrid and recessive homozygote. Option number D. Test cross is a cross between F1 and recessive parent is called as a test cross. Question number 29. Lack of independent assortment of two genes is due to. Option A recombination, option B crossing over, option C linkage, option D repulsion. The correct answer is option C, that is linkage. Question number 30. The cross where the sources of gametes are reversed is called as a option A reciprocal cross, option B reverse cross, option C hybrid cross, option D टेस्ट क्रॉस. जिस क्रॉस में जो पेरेंट्स है वो रिवर्स किए जाते हैं और वो गैमेट है वो रिवर्स हो जाते हैं, उसको कहते हैं ऑप्शन नंबर ए रेसिप्रोकल क्रॉस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द जीन्स फॉर द 7 character chosen by Mendel are located on. Option A 4 chromosome, option B 5 chromosome, option C 6 chromosome, option D 7 chromosome. That is located on 4 chromosome. The title of Mendel research paper. Mendel published the research paper in 1866. What is the title of Mendel research paper? Option A discovery of law of inheritance, option B hybridization in pea, option C experiment in plant hybridization, and option D innovation in plant hybridization. The correct answer is option number C, experiment in plant hybridization. Then question number 33, which law is not proposed by Mendel? Which of the following is law not proposed by Mendel? Law of segregation, law of blending inheritance, law of independent assortment, and option D, none of this. The law of blending inheritance is not proposed by Mendel. Option number 34, what is the basic unit of inheritance? Option A cell, option B gene, option C allele, or option D DNA. The gene is a basic unit of inheritance. Question number 35, recessive allele expressed in homozygous condition, heterozygous condition, both condition, or none of the above. That is the recessive allele, and recessive allele express their expression in only homozygous condition. Same condition, homozygous condition, option A. Question number 36, test cross means crossing of F1 with. Test cross means crossing of F1 with dominant parent, recessive parent, both, or heterozygous parent. The test cross means crossing of F1 with recessive parent is called as a test cross, and the crossing of F1 with any parent is called as a back cross. Question number 37, the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid law is 9:3:4, 9:7, 9:3:1, 12:3:1. The phenotypic ratio of dihybrid law is 9:3:1. Question number 38, Mendel published his research paper in. Mendel published their two research paper in 1863, 1864, 1865, 1866. In 1866. Mendel's findings were rediscovered by. Mendel died in 1884. After their death in 19, means after 16 years later, the laws of Mendel are refined by Hugo de Varies, Carl Correns, Teschmark, or all of this. Option D, all of this. Question number 40, the physical expression or appearance of character. The physical appearance of character is called as a phenotype, genotype, gene expression, pleiotropy. The physical expression or the physical appearance of character is called as a phenotype, and genetic constitution of individual is called as a genotype. Gene expression means the expression of gene is called as a gene expression, pleiotropy, in which the physical expression of or appearance of character is called as a phenotype. Thank you.